only going to be slightly more complex because we're going to have to do two separate conversions, and I will show you why in a second. Okay, so specifically what it's asking you to do is the following. You have to take units of grams and you're going to have to convert it to units of volume. Now, the issue here is you can't go directly from grams to volume. What you're going to have to do is use your central unit, which is the mole. Alright, so first I'm going to have to go from grams to moles, then from moles to your liters. Alright, we're assuming in this problem that we're at STP, so that relationship between moles and volume isn't an issue. So let's put a couple of, well actually let's start crisscross switching first of all, and then let's put our relationships down in a second, okay? We start off, we know we have 4.65 grams, that's given to us, so I'm going to write that down, not too bad. I'm going to crisscross swoosh. I know I can't go first to liters, so first I'm going to go to moles. I have to get rid of grams, so I'm going to put grams on the bottom, and then I'm going to put moles up top. Alright? Now, yeah, we know the relationship between this. Maybe if you're a little bit shaky on that, that's fine. We'll get there in a second. I'm not interested in that right now. I know I'm in moles, and I'm not quite done yet because I want to get to volume. I don't want to stay in moles. So I'm going to crisscross swoosh one more time. I want to get rid of moles, so I'm going to put moles on the bottom. And I want to get into terms of liters, so I'm going to put liters up top. Now, let's put a couple of different relationships that I know. All right. First of all, for as soon as you see grams per mole, okay, you should be thinking molecular mass. Now, to find the molecular mass of N2, I need to take the atomic mass of nitrogen. Now, the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. And since there are two nitrogens, I'm going to multiply 14 times 2. So what I find is that the molecular mass of nitrogen is just 28 grams per mole. Okay, so as soon as you see terms with grams and moles, that tells you you're looking for molecular mass. Okay. Now, as soon as you see liters and moles, what that should be telling you is that you're looking for the relationship that we looked at just previously, which is the fact that at STP, there are 22.4 liters that are taken up by 1 mole. So 1 mole takes up the space of 22.4 liters. All right, so now I just got to plug in these two values into this equation right here. Okay, all right, I have 28 grams, so I'm going to put the 28 on bottom since that's where my grams are. So there's 28 grams in every 1 mole. Okay, and now for this one, if you notice, there are 22.4 liters in 1 mole. Now, I like putting the relationships on bottom just so I'm clear where to put my numbers. Alright, but what I need to end up doing in my calculator, so grab out your calculators, as I have mine right here. I'm going to take 4.65, I'm going to divide it by 28, since 28 is in the denominator, and then I'm going to multiply that by 22.4. Okay, and so the answer you should get is 3.72. Okay, remember, since grams canceled out, and moles canceled out, your units for your final answer are liters. And what you can do is check this out. Okay, you got 3.72 liters. Do you want to be in liters? Well, yes, you're trying to find volume, and liters are your units for volume. And you're done, and that's it.